Hello lovely people, welcome and welcome back again to my channel. Hope you guys are doing wonderfully well. In today's video I share this easy Ghana rock buns recipe. This tasted so good. Guys, let's get into the video. In a bowl I'll go in with my dry ingredients. The first one I went is my flour. I then went ahead to grate my nutmeg. I will also go ahead and add some salt and then also baking powder. I will leave the quantity of the ingredients in the description box below. So at this point I'm just mixing to make sure everything is well combined. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, you are welcome to my kitchen where I share easy recipes. So now at this point I then went in with my Yummvita. This is optional. This is going to give the rock buns a very sweet taste. So now I'll add my margarine. If you have butter, you can also use it. I will then mix everything all together. Okay fam, so at this point everything is well combined. I will just set this aside and then in a cup I'll go in with my eggs. In all I use 3 eggs. I'll then add my pineapple and vanilla essence. I will also add my sugar and then go in with my evaporated milk. I will then mix until everything is well combined. Thank you so much. If you are still watching, please don't forget to like this video, share this video and also comment under this video. Thank you. Okay fam, so now I will add my wet ingredients to my dry ingredients and then mix everything until I get the desired consistency I'm going for. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. I'm truly grateful and God bless you all. To my new subscriber too, you guys are amazing. And you can also watch me on Facebook and watch my short videos on TikTok, Instagram and YouTube short. The name is Getty Cooks. I also went ahead to add the rest of my evaporated milk and then mix everything together. So guys, at this point this is the consistency I'm going for, not too thick and not too light. This is just perfect. I'll then go ahead to grease my baking pan. So now go ahead and then scoop some of the butter into the baking pan. And then after that I went ahead to egg wash it. You can choose not to. And this is the rest of the butter too. So after baking this for 30 minutes 180 degrees, here is our rock bun. This looks so inviting and guys, trust me, this tasted so good and the inside was so soft. Guys, this is a must try recipe. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in my next episode.